everyone, how are you all doing? I know it seems too dark, but it's 9 a.m. right now and the power is going on and off due to rain. Right now it's not raining, it's drizzling. So I need to do blanket, but I don't think so I'll be able to find any delivery guys. I don't know you all know about this or not. I live with my younger brother and it's been about a week that he went home. So yeah, right now I'm struggling what to cook for myself. I feel like when you are alone, you just can't decide and you just feel lazy to cook for yourself. Also, I'm the type of person when there's someone to have food with, I also enjoy cooking. I also take interest in what to cook. Today I'll be managing what I have. I guess I'll make chapati and I have the leftover sabji with that, so I'll eat that. There's no option, or else I'll check the blanket once if it is being delivered, so I'll blink it. Now let's make breakfast. My breakfast is ready and I want to tell you guys something. Lately I've been watching Friends. I know, like, I never watched Friends. I think it's been a month since I've started and it's not like I've binge watched it. I am in season 1 only. I'm starting from the very beginning as I am not aware about Friends. Right now I'm in episode 14th or 15th, I guess. But it's not like my people also told me about Friends and they also wanted me to watch Friends. I was not ready at that point. I don't know, just that it didn't happen. Right now I'm enjoying it and it's growing on me. So yeah, I'm excited. Also, there's one more thing that I've been enjoying lately is Substack. I am truly loving it. Having different POVs of different people, you get to learn about so much of things. Also wanted to adapt reading, so randomly installed this app on my phone. I really enjoyed it and I also signed in on my laptop. I think why I am really enjoying this is these are very short blogs and it's very easy to read. You can just hop on different topics, so I feel like you just start reading and it barely takes 10 to 15 minutes, I guess, or maybe 20 minutes. Also feels like an achievement and also you learn new things, so it is kind of therapeutic. You know what? I really understand now the people who really enjoy reading and who are really addictive, who just want to read all the time. I feel like I'm not that kind of person that I can love reading, but right now surprisingly I am kind of loving this. I don't know I'll be able to love reading the books, novels. I don't know about that, but for now I'm really enjoying Substack. Not that type of person who will choose reading, but I'm trying to read as much as I can. Right now my exams are near, so I am not reading that frequently, but whenever I get time, instead of just binge watching some shitty content or just doom scrolling, it's better to read and I'm really enjoying it. I'll just stop here and not bore you guys. Like, share, subscribe. It's around 11 p.m. right now and I've applied clay mask. मैंने ये लिया था और मैं ये लगाना भूल गई, बस एक बार ही लगाया, उसके बाद मैं भूल गई. Today I woke up around 5:30 and I'm trying to wake up early nowadays, but वो हो नहीं पा रहा मेरे से. कभी कभी मैनेज कर लेती हूँ. I'll wash my face and then I'll go to sleep. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Much love. I look horrible right now, but ठीक है. Bye.